Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody posted this on Facebook. The one dimension is, this is in millimeters. I had to change mine to millimeters. 2514 by 345. So I made, let me just back up here. I've already done the radius. I made this thing 2514 by 345. But then they also say that they want a radius of 34.5. I don't know what the asterisk means. Because if you take an ellipse, this ellipse has a radius of 34.5. So if that's correct, which I don't believe it is because it does not look like the shape, if you will unlock your corners and go right here to the top right and type in 34.5, you get that same radius of this ellipse. Now, I'm not a mathematician. I don't understand what the asterisk is for. The only thing I can figure is maybe it's 345 radius. So if that's the case, we'll type in 345 and it looks more like the picture. And then to do the bottom one, just click down here and you're working on the right side. And if we fill that in with black, that looks more like the picture he posted to a T. Anyway, I'm going to post this on Facebook, hopefully, and see if that helped. And maybe a mathematician will chime in and tell me what the asterisk is. I mean, it's almost like a times symbol. Anyway, I'm a little bit confused. Thank you for watching. Hope that helped.